Hey everyone, Apple's ultimate in small laptops is the MacBook Pro 14 with the M4 chip, which combines portability, power, and sophistication. Although the Mac Mini with the M4 processor is currently praised as the greatest Mac in terms of price to value and raw performance, it requires the purchase of peripherals such as a keyboard, mouse, and monitor, presenting the MacBook Pro 14, a small powerhouse that appeals to both fans and professionals. For those looking for a portable Mac without sacrificing performance, the MacBook Pro 14 is an engineering wonder. Compared to its predecessors, it offers a notable improvement in performance, especially in graphics processing, thanks to Apple's most recent M4 CPU. It is a feasible update for people who are still using Intel-based Macs or even the M1 generation, according to benchmarks that show notable gains. The M4-powered MacBook Pro 14's capacity to run demanding programs like Adobe After Effects is one of its best qualities. The effectiveness of the 10-core CPU and 10-core GPU setup is demonstrated by the seamless execution of tasks like 3D rendering, intricate animations, and noise reduction plugins. With performance comparable to those of higher-end setups, the MacBook Pro 14 proves its worth to developers in tasks like app building in Xcode. Because of its designed unified memory architecture, the laptop can handle large PSD files faster than even some more powerful Macs, making photo processing in Photoshop and Lightroom a breeze. Another highlight is battery longevity. The MacBook Pro 14 can do demanding operations like video editing for 6 to 7 hours, and it can handle lighter jobs like browsing or streaming for more than 15 hours. Its status as the preferred option for professionals on the road is further supported by this degree of autonomy and the fact that it operates silently for the majority of jobs. The laptop screen is still a work of art. The 14.2-inch mini LED panel is perfect for creating content, since it provides vivid colors, strong contrasts, and amazing brightness levels of up to 1000 nits in SDR mode. A smooth 120 Hz refresh rate is ensured by the use of promotion technology, which improves the user experience overall. The MacBook Pro 14's construction and design preserve the streamlined, long-lasting look that has come to be associated with Apple. Many customers find the old silver color to be more practical than the new space black hue, which gives a futuristic touch but is prone to fingerprints. The base M4 model's inclusion of a third Thunderbolt 4 connector is a pleasant enhancement that increases connectivity versatility. The SD card reader, full-size HDMI, and MagSafe charger are among the other ports that haven't changed, guaranteeing compatibility with a range of professional workflows. Additionally, a 12-megapixel webcam with center stage capabilities has been added to the laptop, keeping you in the center of video calls. However, consumers seeking for greater resolution output may be disappointed by the restriction to 1080p video recording. Emulation allows games like Cyberpunk 2077 to operate at moderate frame rates, although dedicated consoles or PCs are best for gamers. In the end, power, portability, and functionality are all perfectly balanced in the MacBook Pro 14 with the M4 chip. For professionals, developers, and creatives that require a multi-purpose device that can manage hard work while on the road, this is a great option. This MacBook is one of the greatest little laptops available today because of its remarkable battery life, unmatched display, and strong performance. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.